Welcome to Edu Pebble.
Welcome to Edu Pebble. Let's learn together. Oh, 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 oh. Let's learn together.
A is for an ant, and that was shiny shoes. One A danced on a leaf and slipped away. B is for bear. A bear was cooking honey pie. It flew so high it touched the sky. C is for cow. A cow was painting walls bright blue. She painted her horns and her tail too. D is for duck. A duck rode bicycle round the lake. Quacked so hard the wheels did shake. E is for elephant. An elephant tried to climb a tree, got stuck halfway, oh dear me. F is for frog. A frog was singing la la la, wore sunglasses, thought he's a star. G is for goose. A goose was baking a chocolate cake, added too much salt by mistake. F is for horse. A horse wore glasses and read a book. Nay, nay, jokes, come take a look. I is for igloo. An igloo opened a pizza shop. Penguins came in, flip flop flop. J is for jaguar. A jaguar joined a marching band, played the drums with tail in hand. K is for koala. A koala flew a hot balloon, waved to clouds and sang a tune. L is for lion. A lion laughed at a silly bee, then the bee chased him up a tree. N is for monkey. A monkey opened an ice cream store. Banana flavor was loved by all. N is for nightingale. A nightingale sang at night so sweet. Stars above clapped to the beat. O is for octopus. An octopus wore a cool hat, shared them with dolphins and jellycats. P is for panda. A panda painted rainbow rain. Oops, he splashed his fur again. Q is for queen. A queen dropped jewels in the sand. Crabs picked them up with tiny hands. R is for rabbit. A rabbit raced a speeding train, hopped so fast and slept again. S is for sheep. A sheep made popcorn in a pot. Boom, 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 it popped a lot. T is for turtle. A turtle tried to run so fast, but every snail still ran past. U is for unicorn. An unicorn baked a rainbow pie, shared it with kids passing by. V is for vulture. A vulture sang a lullaby song. All animals yawned and slept along. W is for whale. A whale was playing hide and seek, splashed so much the sea would squeak. X is for xylophone. A xylophone played by fox one night. Owls danced around in moonlight. Y is for yak. A yak was painting yellow cheese, sneezed so loud fell on his knees. Z is for zebra. A zebra wore pajamas tight, snored all day. What a funny sight!